With John B. Hey! Catching the biggest damn steelhead I've ever seen.
Alright. Pat Neal's guiding here. That's a big son of a gun. Oh, gee.
There we
Oh,
go,
man,
folks.
that's a monster.
Hey, hold on to this.
Oh, that's a big one. This is John Beath with SalmonChronicles.com and Go Fish Magazine. I'm on the Hoh River with famed guide Pat Neal, and I just caught what might be the biggest steelhead of my life. I've caught an 18-pounder before, but you're saying 20?
Yeah.
Thank you for guiding me to that. Tell me a little bit about this river, Pat.
This is the Hoh River, the best river, the best of the last river we could possibly fish on planet Earth. And it's still got some fish in it. It's amazing that these fish are still here and still healthy, and we're still fishing them. I just thank God for every day I can fish on this river.
Yeah, we haven't seen another boat the whole time down this river. I know there was one before.
I dropped some trees across the river up above us. You notice there were items floating down the river. Yeah, I blocked off the river for your trip today.
But it's nice. It's a Saturday. Today is what, April 9th or 10th? It's early April. Is this a good time?
2016. I'd say so, yeah.
Good time for people if they want it.
April is always the best time because it seldom snows in April. And we have a good run of fish in April. Spring's getting in. And yes, always a good time in the hole as long as we've got a couple of feet of visibility. It's not too high. Pretty good conditions today.
Yeah, today that was the third hit. We landed two nice native females that we let go. It's always good to let those big fish go.
A breeder like that is very valuable.
Well, hey, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
And for more information, you can go to SalmonChronicles.com, or you can go to Go Fish Magazine, or check out Pat's website right here.
Yeah, if it hasn't been hacked.
All right. Until next time, we'll see you.